After masturbating you are not able to do your task with higher efficiency as you were doing before? Why you are not able to do it after doing masturbation? See, there is a reason behind it, because when you masturbate, when you ejaculate your semen, you ejaculate, and not only you ejaculate semen, you ejaculate your energy. Okay, you ejaculate your lots and lots of energy. Yeah. And I would say when you do masturbation, when you do masturbation, you before ejaculating, lot of energy releases. Lot of energy releases. I think so. I don't know about it, but this is not scientific. I think so. This is my perspective. But the second thing that I'm going to tell you, that is 100% true, that when you ejaculate, dopamine and serotonin, these are the hormones responsible for your happiness. This happiness releases in a very large quantity. Okay, when you masturbate, it releases in a very much larger quantity, and you will feel very sleepy and very low energetic, because these hormones are responsible for your happiness. Okay, these hormones, serotonin, this hormone is responsible for your sleep. When serotonin increases in your body, you feel very sleepy. That's why at night you feel very sleepy, because that at that time your serotonin production is at its peak. Okay, that's why you feel very sleepy, okay, and very low energetic, because when this releases, the body goes into sleepy mode, body goes into very relaxed mode. That's why you are not able to focus on something that you were focusing, or that you were doing before doing masturbation, with very concentration and with very focus. Why this happens? Because your body releases serotonin and dopamine. Dopamine also is a very relaxing hormone, and serotonin is a very what we say, that is responsible for your sleep. These two hormones are really important. And when you masturbate, and if you masturbate after very long time, let's just suppose if you masturbate after 1 week or 2 week, it will give you serotonin and dopamine in a very large amount. Okay, in a very large amount, in a very large quantity, and you will feel really sleepy after doing masturbation, and you will get regret that I didn't do anything, I didn't work on my goals. Okay, see. And if you did after so many days, let's just suppose if you did masturbation after 1 week, and after 1 week you not only did masturbation for one time, you did masturbation for many times. For example, after 1 week you did masturbation on that single. After 1 week, let's just suppose if you did masturbation on Monday, and after 1 week you again did masturbation on Monday, but on that day you not only did only one time, you didn't ejaculate only for one time, you ejaculate for so many times. Okay, 3 to 4 times, 3 to 4 times, because 3 to 4 times, because you were controlling yourself for the 1 week, and now you are into guilt mode. Okay, now you are into guilt mode, that okay yaar, shit, मैंने masturbation कर दिया, I did masturbation, shit yaar. And your brain is very chalak. It's a very clever. He will play a very clever game, that bro, no problem, एक और बार कर ले. Okay, do it for one last time. Okay, and then we will just permanently leave this thing. Okay, but you also know that this won't happen at any cost. So what you do, that you masturbate a lot more time. You not only masturbate for one time, you masturbate for 3 to 4 times, and which releases a ton of happy hormones like dopamine and serotonin, and which gives you a very sleepy mode. And if I give you my example, I masturbate today, and after 4 days I masturbate, and after 4 days I not only masturbate for one time, I masturbate for so many times. 4 to 5 times I masturbate for 4 times, I think so. 3 to 4 times in one single day. I masturbate for 4 fucking times, and which gives me a lot of dopamine and a lot of serotonin and a lot of guilt also. That's why the quality of my work reduces by 50% or more than 50%. So this day, today I didn't make it done the work that I have to do it. मैंने आज कुछ भी नहीं किया इतना खास, because मेरी quality of the quality of my work reduces by 50 to 60% or more than that. I think so 80%, my quality of work 80% reduces. And imagine if you are doing masturbation for so many, and you are doing masturbation for each and every fucking day. And just imagine if not only you are masturbating for one time in every single day, you are masturbating for 3 to 4 times in each and every single day. On each and every single day you are masturbating for 3 to 4 times. You are masturbating each and every day for 3 to 4 times. Just imagine, you are not only masturbating on one time every single day, you are masturbating each and every day. But not only once, you are doing twice, thrice, okay, 4 times, 5 times, or even more than that if your addiction is too much, too high. So you won't make progress in any of your life aspect. If you want to make progress in your goals, you won't, because your so much energy, so much concentration will go towards your ejaculation. And it will cost you a lot of energy. It will cost you a lot of guilt. It will give, at the end of the day, it will gives you a lot of guilt, a ton of guilt, okay. So this is the reason why after masturbating you are not able to focus on your work, not able to work hard as you were doing before masturbation. So this is the reason. And I noticed this reason and this happens also with this thing happens with me also. So this is the thing that I want to tell you, that masturbation करो, do masturbation, but प्लीज़ एक ही बार करो दिन में. एंड एक दिन करो, एक दिन का गैप रखो, फिर 4-5 दिन छोड़ो, फिर एक दिन करो. डू दिस, okay, do repeat this process. Do it once or twice. Set a rule that I will do I will masturbate for 2 times only in a day, and after that I will take 3 to 4 days rest, and then I'll repeat this process. And once you get your brain settled for this, once this things programmed in your mind, set in your mind, and then reduce the quantity. Okay, if you are doing masturbation 2 times a day, and after that you are doing, after 3 to 4 times you are doing it again, now reduce the quantity by I will do masturbation only once. But after 2 to 3 days I will do it once. Okay, after 2 to 3 days I will also do it once, and after 2 to 3 days I will do it once. Then after your mind gets settled into this mode, if this program settled in your mind, okay, then do 1 day, then take 7-day rest, and then 1 day 7-day rest, and after that 1 day 14 day, for 2 weeks rest, 1 day 2 weeks rest. This is the thing that I want to tell you, that you can reduce your masturbation quantity and you will achieve self-control on yourself. You can you will able to control your addiction of masturbation, your lust. Masturbation क्या होता है? What is masturbation? Masturbation is nothing but lust. Okay, this thing मजबूर करता है तुमको ये चीज़ मास्टरबेट करने के लिए. क्योंकि मास्टरबेट जब हम करते हैं, मतलब क्या होता है कि मास्टरबेट करने से पहले हमें लस्ट होता है किसी चीज़ का लेकर, तो फिर उस मास्टरबेशन को करके उस लस्ट को हम निकालते हैं. आई मीन टू से, मुझे पता है कि क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, खुद को क्या बोल रहा हूँ मुझे भी समझ नहीं आ रहा, बट मास्टरबेट जब हम करते हैं ना, तो सीमन नहीं निकलता. हमारा जो लस्ट होता है ना, वो ऐसा लगता है कि, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुमने किसी वो लस्ट को ना, किसी बंदे को तुमने ना कमरे में बंद करके रखा हुआ है, और वो कमरे से बाहर निकलने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है, पूरा दम लगा रहा है. एंड एक बार अगर तुम उसको बाहर निकाल देते हो ना, दरवाज़ा खोल देते हो, तो एकदम से सडनली वो बाहर निकल जाता है. ठीक है, मास्टरबेशन भी कुछ ऐसा ही होता है. वो निकलना चाहता है, वो लस्ट निकलना चाहता है, मतलब वो लस्ट ना मतलब वो लस्ट ना करना चाहता है, सेक्स करवाना चाहता है तुमको वो लस्ट. तुम एकदम से मास्टरबेट करते हो ना, तो फिर वो एक बार नहीं बहुत बार आपसे मास्टरबेशन हो जाता है.